Man, all you do is play video games. You keep on playing, you turn dumb, and you won't know anything.
Man, I know everything.
No, you don't. You're only in first grade. I bet you still get nap time in school.
No, I'm in third grade. Nap time is for babies like you.
What? Alright. Since you know everything, tell me what an atom is.
Adam. Who's Adam?
Not who, what.
What?
God. You don't know nothing. Atom is the basic unit of a chemical element.
Who cares?
You should care. Tell your teacher this in school, everybody's gonna think you're smart. They can get any girl you want.
I get girls.
Yeah, right.
I get more girls than you.
Alright, whatever, man. Just hear me out.
Every time I listen to you, I get bored and I feel like I'm turning old.
Just listen to me real quick.
I don't want to listen to you. It's Friday and I want to play some games.
Whatever. You got that game? I heard this game's amazing.
I know, right?
Re-up gang Peter, nigga, yeah, done hit the jackpot. Yeah. Trouble on my mind. I got trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind. So much trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind. I got trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind. So much trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind. I got trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind. So much trouble on my mind.
Wait, okay. Now hear me out. Now, imagine this. There once was a man named Democritus. He was the first scientist to claim that everything is made up of atoms. He helped to propose the earliest views on the shapes and connectivity of atoms. He said that the solidness of the material corresponded to the atoms involved. He gave an image of an atom that distinguished them from each other by their shape, size, and the arrangement of their parts. Yet he was criticized by other scientists, including Aristotle, because he did not explain the initial cause of the motion of atoms. Joseph Thomson discovered the electron. He suggested a model of the atom as a sphere of positive matter in which electrons are positioned by electrostatic forces. His efforts to estimate the number of electrons in an atom from measurements of the scattering of light gamma rays initiated the research along with his student Ernest Rutherford. His last important experimental program focused on determining the nature of positively charged particles. Thomson received many awards, including a Nobel Peace Prize. He also had the greatest pleasure of seeing several of his close associates receive their own Nobel Peace Prizes, including Rutherford. Ernest Rutherford was responsible for a remarkable series of discoveries in the fields of radioactivity and nuclear physics. He discovered alpha and beta rays, set forth the laws of radioactivity decay, and identified alpha particles as helium nuclei. His experiments showed that when alpha particles are fired into gas atoms, a few are violently deflected, which implies a dense, positively charged central region containing most of the atomic mass. Niels Bohr proposed improvements to Rutherford's planetary model. Electrons are not required to lose energy, instead they stay in orbit around nucleus. Possible electrons orbit are energy levels. Only a certain number of electrons can be present in each energy level. All electrons are in lowest energy levels available when an atom is in ground state. Atoms can absorb energy from an outside source of heat or electrical. John Dalton is a chemist who used to be an English school teacher. He proposed his atomic theory in 1808 and composed of 5 postulates, which is the fundamental principle. The first one is, all matter is composed of tiny particles called atoms. The second one is, atoms of a given element are identical. The third one is atoms of a given element are different from those of any other element. The fourth one is atoms of different elements combine in whole number ratios to form chemical compounds. The fifth one is atoms cannot be created or destroyed. In chemical reactions, atoms are combined, separated, or rearranged. The electron cloud model is an atom model wherein electrons are no longer depicted as particles moving around the nucleus in a fixed orbit. The electron cloud model is a product of a quantum mechanics. It might be contrary to Rutherford's popular model. We can only describe electron locations in terms of most probable regions with fuzzy boundaries. That's why we use the term cloud.
Huh? What'd you say?